Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Dell docking station suddenly stops connecting properly and monitors, accessories or charging no longer work the way they should, it can definitely interrupt your whole setup. Sometimes the laptop recognizes the dock for a moment and then disconnects, while other times nothing responds after plugging everything in. A connection issue like this can happen because of cable placement, power interruptions, port confusion, or simple communication delays between the laptop and dock. Before assuming the docking station completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many connection problems can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix Dell docking station connection issues. Try these. Step 1. Check the cable connected between the Dell docking station and laptop to confirm it fits securely. Step 2. Confirm the Dell docking station stays connected to power if accessories suddenly stop responding. Step 3. Disconnect and reconnect the Dell docking station to the laptop if monitors or devices fail to appear. Step 4. Restart the laptop connected to the Dell docking station to refresh device recognition. Step 5. Test another port on the laptop with the Dell docking station if the current connection feels inconsistent. Step 6. Check displays and accessories connected through the Dell docking station and confirm everything begins working normally.